Recently, I got approached by a friend of mine who is a Sitecore MVP from Mauritius. His name is Hisham Namuya. Hisham asked me about a possibility of using Siphon for distributing his own Sitecore packages or modules. And that question made me thinking into a creative way, and I came up with a solution, despite different from his initial concerns, but still something valuable that may help all of us installing the packages with ease. And I'm going to show you this approach. First of all, you need to make sure Siphon has a newer version of 1.2.4 or anything beyond that version. You can find this also available in About window, so you may see the version placed here in header. Next, you need to update the plugins from a public repository. That will take the latest 1.2.4 version of the plugins, and that version has a new plugin we are looking for. Once downloading the plugin, you will see the actual branch, so please make sure the one is equal to the version of your Siphon, namely 1.2.4 or newer. For the sake of experiment, we are going to add a show config icon into a launchpad somewhere here, into this place, and that will take you to resulting page with patched configuration for the Sitecore. I already have this package prepared and published. You may find it at my GitHub page, and the very important moment is that you need to take in add unloadable zip archive of that package. Let's copy it, and you will paste that URL into URL picker. The plugin we are looking after is under install folder, and it's called install package by URL. If the URL is valid, the download button becomes active, so that you can click it, relax, and let Siphon do the whole job for you. In the background, Siphon will download that module, copy it from download folder in the package folder within a Sitecore instance from your selected profile. Then temporarily copy the installer handler and finally install that module. Once complete, it will clean up after itself, and of course it will show up the results. You may see it here. Package installation complete. Let's refresh Launchpad, and you see new show config icon is here. Thanks for watching.